Hello, my name's Tyler, and today we're going to be talking about molecular genetics in our genetics section. Genes direct all life processes. Molecular genetics explains how differences in the structure or expression of DNA leads to variation among living organisms. Here's our lesson overview for the video. First, we're going to talk about DNA replication. Next, we're going to talk about transcription and translation. Lastly, we're going to talk about the genetics of bacteria and viruses. So first, let's talk about DNA replication. DNA replication occurs in the S phase of the cell cycle, as compared to G1, G2, or M phase. DNA replication is going to take part in 3 stages. First, there's going to be initiation. Second, there's going to be elongation. And lastly, there's going to be termination. And we have our schematic here. DNA replication is first going to take part for initiation. So initiation is when the origins of replication are created at AT-rich regions of the DNA. And this is when the DNA strands start to separate from each other, and we prepare to